Restoring and maintaining water slides is no easy task. It takes a team effort, and in order to do the best work possible, you have to work with the best people for the job. That's why we at Safe Slide Restoration value quality above all. We have serviced some of the largest water parks around the world and look forward to putting our expertise to work with every project.
If you would have asked me almost 15 years ago if this industry would take me to places like Singapore and Dubai and Barcelona and Sydney, Australia, I would have never believed it.
We take pride in our ability to professionally inspect, restore, and maintain fiberglass. With our 30-plus years of experience and over 400 projects per year, we are confident that we will meet the needs of every facility we work with. Your goal is to protect your guests and your investments. We are committed to fulfilling your goal.
We are very specific about our process. We roll up to the job. First thing we want to do is roll out the tools, but also do a job hazard analysis. Prep is a very big part of a restoration job on a slide.
We're going to start with a pre-inspection. We're going to have a pre-project conference call. Then our certified project managers and team are going to show up, perform that work, and then at the end, we're going to get into a relationship of annual or biannual maintenance with our partners. And that's the high-level view that you can count on every time, consistency with our customer experience.
We believe that as far as our philosophy in doing business, it's more to us than making money. It's about relationships.
We greatly appreciate how strong our relationships have grown with our customers. In our story, they're really the heroes.